How to change message theme in Instagram. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Once you're in your home feed, tap on the messenger icon which is found on the upper right corner of your screen. Select the conversation that you want to change theme. And then just under the name of this group chat, you will see three icons, which is add, members, and theme. Select theme, and from here it will show you a bunch of options that you can choose from. So you can choose from the options under themes, or you can also scroll down until you find this option, colors and gradients. So in this section, it provides you a variety of colors that you can use for your chat. But if you want to stick with the default theme, you can select the first option, which is default. So just tap on the option that you want to use as the theme for your chat. So with that, it will automatically apply the theme that you have chosen. And so that is how you change message theme in Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.